Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Kia Sorento door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Having the correct replacement handle for your Sorento model is crucial for a smooth repair. Make sure you have good lighting and a clean workspace. This preparation will save you time and frustration during the process. Now let's get that old handle out. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel with your trim removal tool, starting from the bottom edge. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows or locks. Finally, locate and unscrew the 2 or 3 retaining bolts that secure the door handle assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe. With the old handle removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new door handle assembly into the opening, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Use the original retaining bolts to firmly secure the new handle in place. Tighten them snugly but avoid over-tightening. Before reattaching the door panel, reconnect all electrical connectors to ensure everything functions correctly. Before you finish, thoroughly test your new door handle. Open and close the door several times from both the inside and outside to confirm smooth operation and proper latching. Once satisfied, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Enjoy your fully functional door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.